In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make doppelgangers in CapCut. This effect is a quick way to duplicate yourself on screen, creating the illusion of multiple versions of you moving together. It works best when the subject is clearly visible, so make sure your clip has good lighting and a person in frame from head to toe if possible. Start by opening CapCut. You can use either the web version in your browser or the mobile or desktop app, whichever you're most comfortable with. Give the editor a moment to load your workspace so you can jump straight into a new project. Next, create a new project and choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. That's the standard widescreen format for platforms like YouTube and most landscape videos. Choosing it now ensures your timeline and canvas are set up correctly from the start, so the effect sits exactly where you expect it. Now add your video to the timeline. Drag and drop it in, or tap the import button and select your clip. For the best results with a cloning effect, pick a shot where you or your subject aren't obstructed and the background isn't too crowded. A steady clip, even if handheld, will help the body tracking lock on more cleanly. With your clip selected, open the Effects panel. This is where CapCut stores visual enhancements that you can apply above your video. You'll see plenty of options, but we're going to use a category that's specifically designed to detect people. Choose Body Effects. These effects analyze the human figure to apply stylized visuals that follow movement. If you don't see the category at first glance, scroll through the list or use the search bar. It's there in the main effects library. Inside Body Effects, find and click Clone. This opens up a set of clone-style looks that duplicate the subject in creative ways. You'll see previews for each option so you can get a sense of how they behave over motion. From there, select Doppelgangers. Apply it to your clip and watch the preview to see your duplicates appear and track your movement. If the clones look misaligned, make sure the subject is fully within the frame and avoid fast, sudden motions. You can trim the effect's duration by dragging its edges on the timeline so it only appears where you want it. If available, try adjusting intensity or size to taste. Small tweaks often make the composite feel more natural. That's it. You've opened CapCut, created a 16:9 project, added your video, navigated to effects, chose body effects, selected clone, and applied doppelgangers for that multi-U look. Preview your work, make minor timing adjustments, and you're good to go.